What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Graduation by Blanco and Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll karate chop your throat off. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning and it uses a few different chords. If you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It has all the major chord diagrams in there as well as a bunch of other really useful information for you guys. So if you need that, jump into the description once you get done with the video. It is there for you. So we're starting off with a C major chord. It's going to be 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. And then G major, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. A minor, 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. F major, which is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Back to C major, back to F, and then to G. Now that is the chord progression that just repeats throughout the entire song. In the song, they're palm muting it, so what you want to do is take that fleshy part of your hand right here, set it on the bridge of the guitar to where when you pluck the strings, it kind of mutes it a little bit, gives it a little bit of a punchy sound. You don't want them to ring out fully, but you also don't want them to be totally dead. You want to have it have a little punch and still be able to like make out what the notes are. They're just down palm muting throughout the entire thing. It looks like this. So it's going to be 8 down palm mutes per chord. You can do it like that. That way is a little bit tougher. So like if you need to like pick up some speed with your palm muting, that's a great way to practice that, because if you can do that to the speed of the song, that's going to help you gain some strength in that palm muting and in your wrist, because it is a little bit quicker. But if you want to just strum through the chords, you just play the chords the exact same way, and then your strumming pattern will be a down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.